figured it out. Figured out what's going on with my phone. I have a dummy fake SD card in my phone that I bought off Amazon or eBay. I can't remember. And every time it keeps recording, it keeps shutting off because I had to save the internal source. It's like my third time doing this. But anyway, you can come here to see that. Anyway, here's the problem. We got water in here, right? All right. Come down here. This is a kid sock, y'all. This is a 1-year-old sock. Here's the model number. Okay. Here's the sister dryer that comes with it. All right. So, if you've ever had your clothes not get dry after a spin cycle and then the washer's done, it's your belt. Underneath here, if you look at this 3-dial setup, right? Back out a little bit. This 3-dial setup, there's only thing back here is a smart port, right? My hand's on it right here. Back here is a smart, so you can plug in your Ethernet and you can troubleshoot. But there's a sensor behind here. There's a sensor behind here, and there's something on a board for this. There's only one board. There's no high pressure anywhere. So that board, the high pressure unit, is actually built into this board. There's just a line that goes through and it goes down. And I thought that if you take this apart, there's a high pressure line, and at the end there's a connector to the spin bowl, and there's a little pinhole that you take that off, you push through. It was clean. So then I tilted the washer up and checked the drain spout where the water comes out underneath that goes into that trap. It was clean as a whistle. So then we called American Home Shield. American Home Shield sent us out another bullshit technician. We're out here. I'm about, without giving my location, I'm about 40 miles outside of Dallas, right? So if you ever hear this saying that wherever you are, you tend to get a certain thing in a certain area, well, they keep sending us some bullshit technicians. We had a guy that we had an electric problem where we still do, where our dryer was kicking off. Well, they sent us out a technician that not only he cut our wires, y'all. He cut our ground wires to the circuit and put dummy splices on them to take out the resistance in the circuit and then splice them back together. Now my microwave will only work when it's cold. Should have sued him. Really should have sued him. So my washer, my dryer, works because he cut the resistance out, literally. And then now my microwave only works intermittently. Great. So, black guy, live in a white area. They keep sending me a certain kind of technician that keep effing up. So now it's going to take me 7 to 10 days to get a washer belt that, matter of fact, today is Thursday. They just ordered it Tuesday. The guy came out last Thursday. Simple math, right? Take you 4 days to order a part that you already been paid for your service charge, right? So went on Amazon, found the exact same part, $13.86. I could have got that part today. Now, do I feel a little bad about not doing my troubleshooting due diligence? Yes, I do. But we got newer appliances, or newer-ish. These appliances only they're about maybe 3 years old, maybe 3 or 4 years old. So they're not that old. you know, so I'm not really good at going into stuff that's still fairly new and under some kind of warranty or not. So I said, all right, I won't do it. Come to find out it's 2 bolts or 1 bolt underneath there, and you put the belt on. $13.86. And I got wet clothes. That's a small load. These are my settings. Look. Colors. Small. And I still got, this is like my 3rd load, y'all. Still have water. So if you have that problem, don't call them. Don't get on Angie's List. Don't get on American Home Shield. Get you a socket wrench. Tilt your thing. Tilt this forward. Put it on a wall. Get you some sockets. $13.86. Get on Amazon. Find your part. Order it. Put it on your dang self. Because the more you keep giving these people $100 to show up, and I'm still left with 7 to 10 days, and I got wet clothes, and I got a small child, and we go through the clothes just like normal people. But trick is, I gotta wait 7 to 10 days to get something that should only take about 3 or 4. Get what you pay for. Or in my case, black people living in a white area. It's kind of crazy, but it is what it is, man. Technicians show up and they give you some bull. Oh well. I digress. I'm finna get off here. I don't want y'all think I hate white people or anything like that. That's not the case. It's just, man, when you live out here in the sticks, people don't look like you. I'm from the Houston area, by the way, so I'm used to that. Well, that ain't that out here. But anyhow, I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm probably gonna edit that out. But moral of the day: American Home Shield sends out whack technicians that half-heartedly do their job. That's the moral of the day. And this bucket of water, these wet clothes, 7 to 10 days for something that I could have got off Amazon for 14, 15, 16 bucks, and I could have had it in a day. Crazy, but they say you get what you pay for. Not always. Not always. Don't call Angie's List. Don't call American Home Shield or whatever extended warranty you have for your home appliances. Because I've been with American Home Shield for a couple of years in my house in Houston and here in the Dallas area. So it is what it is. Sucks for me. So now we got probably another 3 or 4 days of washing tiny loads and still have to wring out every other load. I digress. Disgusted, disappointed. I'm signing out. Hope this helped y'all fix your model. There's Google your model number. It's either going to be right there or it's going to be on the back. I'm out, y'all. Like, share, subscribe if that helped you. Gotta grow the channel some kind of way. I'm gone.